Your girl is vlogging. Hello everyone, what's up? It's Molly and welcome back to my channel. I have not done a casual vlog like this in I don't even know how long, but I used to do them so much when I started my weight loss journey, and you guys have been requesting a lot of vlogs recently, so I was like, okay, I got you, like let me start doing these again. Today's vlog is it's late. It's like 8 o'clock at night, I think. No, it's 8:37. My computer was just being slow. So yeah, it's 8:40. I thought it was like 8 o'clock. But I'm just starting off the vlog. I'm gonna be alone for the rest of the night, or like until midnight probably, just because Fab is out visiting a friend. So I was like, okay, I have no one to talk to and I have no Fortnite to watch. Because I was like, okay, I'm gonna be alone, so why not talk to you guys instead? It's like the second best thing to a real person. Should I sit this down so that way it's not moving? I'll do that. Except I'm gonna get a double chin angle, so don't judge me. Hi. So today's vlog is going to be focused all about how to reset. If I'm being completely honest with you guys, I am not happy with how I've been eating recently and how I've been exercising. I haven't been to the gym in probably a week and a half, maybe even 2 weeks. I don't want to think that it's 2 weeks. I feel like it's a week and a half that I haven't been, and I really haven't been consistent about the gym as much recently. I don't want to be like so negative right off in this vlog. Oh, but I have to be honest with you guys. I haven't been like making progress or really pushing myself, and I haven't been doing really any weightlifting. I just kind of went and did the Stairmaster and the treadmill, and then I would leave. No bueno. I'm gonna show you guys easy ways that I kind of restart, or what's the word? The not going to the gym part isn't even the worst part. I have been eating really bad recently, and I haven't been drinking enough water and chips and pasta, like a lot of pasta, okay? Don't get me wrong, I love some pasta even on a deficit, but like I took it to an extreme. I feel like my stomach is still full of pasta from 2 days ago. This is just the reality of trying to lose weight. This is what goes on in my mind, you guys. I'm like realizing things. I'm like, dang, Molly, like when was the last time you ate like healthy for a full day? I was gonna go to the gym tonight, but I just feel like it's too late and I don't want to stay up too late and then like not wake up early tomorrow morning. Like I want to wake up early tomorrow. I woke up early today. I woke up at 6. Yes, Molly. Thank you. I know you guys were probably clapping at home too. I think right now we will go to the grocery store. I'm actually wearing, if you guys are wondering, do I have a bra on? Yes, I do. Wow. I'm wearing this sweatshirt and a pair of camo pants. I featured these in a fall haul video. You guys always ask for haul videos and then I upload them and then nobody watches them, and I'm just like, why? Maybe I shouldn't have uploaded it with a shitty thumbnail. Maybe this is my fault. I think before I go to the grocery store, I should look on Pinterest and come up with some healthy recipes, because I haven't had dinner yet tonight, so we're gonna also be making some dinner tonight. And I also and I also want recipes that are kind of like not detox recipes, because I don't like that. Like, you don't need to detox your body, it does that naturally, but just kind of like recipes to have when you feel like your stomach is full of pasta. All over my Pinterest there are just these adorable babies. Like, I don't know why, you guys. I think I like hearted one baby picture like 10 months ago, and now all of a sudden my whole feed just randomly will have babies, like baby ads. It's like, I don't have a baby yet, Pinterest. Like, look at it. Oh my god, that hair. Those eyes. Like, why does Pinterest do that to me? It's just rude. Whenever I read out my grocery list like this, I feel like I deserve to get my millennial card taken away, because I feel like nobody else my age writes out handwritten grocery lists. Comment down below if you guys do. My mom has just always done it this way, so that's why I do it. So if anybody is to blame for this, it's my mom, because that is what I grew up with, therefore that is what I do. When we get back from the grocery store, we have some serious cleaning to do. Oh, the worst. After a filming day, it just gets so messy. I don't know how, but I wanted to show you guys. Here's my outfits in better detail, and also I'm doing this one for the team, you guys. My Balenciaga bag does not match this outfit, but I'm gonna take it with me because I'm going to try and vlog in the grocery store. I can't promise anything because this Wegmans is so busy all the time. Literally, I feel like nobody in my town works or something. Like, I could go on the most random hour and there would be like 500 people in there. So I really do not understand. And the world just doesn't want me to vlog in public. This is really good lighting. There it is in all of its glory. There are still people here at 10:07 at night. I just don't understand. See, I didn't vlog in there. It was really busy and I kept running into the same people in every single aisle and I couldn't do it. You guys hate on me all you want. If you knew how much of an awkward human being I am, you would know why I don't vlog in public. Unless I'm with somebody. If I'm with like another YouTuber, I really don't care. Like, I don't care if the whole entire world is staring at me. It's weird. It's just when I'm by myself that I can't do it. And I don't know why, because I really don't care what other people think of me. It's just like, this is something that I feel like everyone would be like, miss, like, what are you doing? I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah, all the groceries are back there. And I will do a grocery haul when we get home. I can't believe I'm gonna eat dinner so late at night. This is really not good, but it's better than not eating at all, right? Like, I'm back from Wegmans, so yeah, I have a bajillion bags, not really a bajillion, I have 5 bags to show you guys of all the things that I got. So all of this came out, I was shocked, I thought it was gonna be way more. Someone sent me a Snapchat. All of this came out to $67. I was literally expecting it to be like $150, so I'm kind of shocked because Wegmans is Lily. Wegmans honestly is a little bit more expensive than a grocery store, so I was kind of shocked that it was that little of a price. I have like 2 frozen things, so I'm gonna go through these first. These are the Dole Dippers. I have never gotten these before, but it sounded good. It's only 60 calories per pouch, and there's 6 pouches in here. And it's basically just dark chocolate covered strawberry halves, which, like, hello, I would love that. And then the other frozen thing that I got is some sweet corn. I love corn. It's just really high in calories, so can't really have it all the time, but I decided to get it today. So I think what I'm gonna do tonight is make some stuffed bell peppers. I saw Stephanie Macedo make the recipe on one of her videos, on one of her What I Eat in a Days, and it sounded so good. So for that, I got some ground beef. For cheeses, I always forget what I have in my fridge, so I just got some Mexican and mozzarella. I don't really have that much cheese, but I just feel like I have to have it. I got some mushrooms. I don't really know when I'm gonna use these. If you guys have been watching my videos for a long time, you know that I make pizza with the naan all the time. It's just like such an easy way to make an individual sized pizza, so I love these. Oh my gosh, I forgot pizza sauce though. Like, okay, I guess I won't be making pizza until I go back to the grocery store. I really want to start to up my greens again, so I got some baby spinach. I'm gonna add it into my like scrambled eggs in the morning or smoothies. So hold me to using this whole bag, you guys, because I am the queen of buying spinach like this, using like 1/3 of the bag and then having it go bad. Why do I do that? Why am I the way that I am? I got some raspberries. I'm gonna make some overnight oats tonight for the What I Eat in a Day tomorrow. So I needed raspberries for that. And also I will just eat those. I could eat the whole box right now. Got some chocolate chips for another recipe that you guys will see very soon. Speaking of scrambled eggs, I got some eggs. We go through eggs so fast in this apartment just because we have omelets, egg sandwiches, hard-boiled eggs, every single which way that you can make eggs we have, so we go through these a lot. I honestly probably could have bought like 3 cartons and it would have been fine. For the bell peppers tonight, I got some spicy taco mix. I feel like my camera is having a tough time adjusting, but yeah, spicy taco mix. I'm not really good at seasoning, so I got this just to make it a little bit easier, and it's all just like seasonings in here. It's nothing added and it's organic, so I was like, heck yeah. Instead of tomato sauce, I got some no salt added, or this is sauce. It's just the no salt added kind, so that way there's no, or not as much sodium in it. This has only 20 milligrams of sodium as opposed to like 600. So I also got the So Delicious coconut milk. Again, I need that for a recipe, that's why I got it. I feel like I'm repeating myself a lot. Literally all of the bananas were like lime green like this, so I was like, okay, I'll just get 2 for now and go back later on this week to get more. It's literally like fluorescent on the camera. That's how it is in real life. Like, they do not have 1 yellow banana. I'm gonna have to wait like a week to eat those. Shaking my head. I could not resist the cotton candy grapes because I know they're gonna go out of season soon and then I'm gonna miss them. And I've only really had like 3 bags I think I've purchased all summer, so I had to get these even though they're insanely expensive. I got 3 tomatoes. I love tomatoes. I feel like everyone these days is a tomato hater, but I am a big fan. 2 green peppers for tonight's recipe. Yes, you guessed it. I got 3 sweet potatoes. Sometimes when I'm just craving something salty for dinner, I will just make a roasted sweet potato and some chicken with some hot sauce. And that's my like go-to meal with some broccoli too. Oh my gosh. Two other things, you guys. I got some apple cinnamon rice cakes. I don't normally get these, but I don't know. I just thought they would be a good snack with like peanut butter and cut up. Oh my god, I forgot to get apples. And then lastly, my one true love here, you guys. Oatly oat milk. They don't sell this really everywhere. I don't know why I got so lucky to have my grocery store sell it, but it is the best milk you will ever use in your coffee. If you have coffee and you're like into coffee, oat milk is the way to go. So this is what it looks like behind the scenes, you guys. You guys were propped up on there. And now I have to put all of this away. The oven is preheating to 350. The first thing I did was chop up a little bit of an onion. I would say like a third of an onion, and then cut off the tops of my 2 bell peppers. You guys can use any color that you want, but I just decided to do green because those are my favorite type of peppers, fun fact. And then the tops of them that I cut off, I decided to chop up too, so that way I don't waste any, and I will saute those with the onions to put inside of them. So in this pan, I have some veggies sauteing, so that's the onions and the pepper that I chopped up. And then over here we have all of the meat. Obviously, I probably will not use all of this. Actually, I definitely won't use all of this for my 2 peppers. I'm gonna save some, and Fab will probably have some at some point. So I'm now gonna add in, I know I probably should have added this when the meat was still red, but I'm now gonna add in the spicy taco mix. The serving size for this is about 2 tablespoons, so I'm gonna make sure that I only use about that much. If I'm being honest with you guys, I rarely, if ever, cook with red meat, so I'm kind of like learning my way around it. If my mom was here, things would be very different, I'm sure. She would probably tell me that I'm doing everything all wrong, but I'm learning, okay? So don't come for me. Just if I'm doing something wrong, give me some constructive criticism. Okay, so in a pan, I just put the 2 bell peppers, and I lightly sprayed a little bit of oil on it just that way they didn't stick to the pan. In this bowl right here, I'm just gonna first add in all of the vegetables, or just peppers and onions. I also just opened up the can of tomato sauce. I was gonna say hot sauce, and I'm gonna add all of that in. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and add in a good amount of the meat, probably like that much, and just start by mixing all of this together. Oh my gosh, you guys, this spicy taco mix that I used, it smells so good, and I actually tasted it a little bit and it tastes bomb. I think actually what I'm gonna do is add all of the meat into this and then just make this again, because I just know I'm gonna love it. Honestly, you guys, I'm thinking about this right now, and this is such a good, easy meal prep to do. Like, you could easily make like 6 of these and just have a couple every single night. Oh my gosh. And I'm just going to stuff these peppers. So you guys can't even see it, I'm sorry. So yeah, I'm just going to stuff these peppers as much as I possibly can. I am so beyond hungry right now. All right, guys, so here's what they look like. I feel like they don't really look that cute, but they smell amazing. So I read online, it said to cover it with tinfoil at first and put them in there for 30 minutes. So that is what I'm about to do. And then after that, you take the tinfoil off and cook them again for 15 minutes. So we'll see if that works. That's what a recipe online said, and I've never done this before, so I'm just gonna follow somebody else's directions and hope for the best. I am getting very tired and also very hungry, but that's okay. This is on me, you guys, because I haven't really been prioritizing my eating and making sure that I'm doing the right things at the right times. So this is kind of showing that perfectly. I know I probably won't wake up super early tomorrow at like 6 like I wanted to, but I guess I'm okay with that just because tomorrow is Saturday. So if I wake up by 8, I'm good with that. I did change into my pajamas. These shorts, if you guys are wondering, are from Fashion Nova. They are the softest things ever. I don't really wear them out of the house. I honestly just wear them like around bedtime because they are just so comfortable. Another thing that I really like doing after, say, a couple days or a week of not eating healthy and exercising is to drink a ton of water. My favorite thing to do is just fill up this tumbler cup, you guys, and drink it while I'm doing literally anything throughout the day. And personally, I like ice water. I love it cold, extra cold. And I add a ton of lemon juice into it. That is, for me, what makes me drink a ton of water. I don't know why I crave it. I am honestly that person who could just eat a lemon as a snack. Like, pretend like Like as if a lemon was an orange. Like I could just eat it. I don't know why, you guys. I have always just loved, it's really weird. I love everything on like the extreme spectrum. So if something is super spicy, I am just like there for it. And if something is super sour, oh my gosh. So something else that I absolutely love doing when I'm trying to get back on track is watching healthy or like fitness or inspirational YouTubers. And Sam Girl, if I'm being honest, I have no idea how to say her last name, but she makes such good videos. I'm literally obsessed with her. At the moment, I am loving her videos, so go check her out. And also Stephanie and Amy Macedo, they have 2 separate channels. They're sisters, and they just make the best content. It's just like simple and healthy, but also like they're just both interesting. So I'm gonna do you guys a favor and leave all 3 of those girls that I just mentioned, their channels down below, and you guys should totally go check them out because I literally love all 3 of them so much. Whenever one of them uploads, it's the best day of my life. I wish that they all uploaded every day, which I saw Sam say on Instagram that she was thinking of uploading for 31 days straight in October. And I almost cried. 25 minutes later and the peppers are hot, but they're really soft. Sorry, the timer is going off. And I'll set a new one for 6 minutes. And I'm just gonna grab some of the Mexican cheese that I have right here. And I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of this on top. These smell so yummy. I wish I could describe it to you guys. It literally is filling up my whole house with just like the best smells ever. And we are almost done, you guys, so I'm just gonna put them back into the oven for another 5 minutes or so, uncovered this time. I honestly, not being dramatic, but I really think I might cry right now. So I'm just going to eat this and then fall asleep. I'm pretty tired, but I'm just gonna watch some Netflix or something like that. But I hope you guys enjoyed this little vlog. I definitely want to start doing more of these and make them a little bit more structured than this one was. This was just like me dipping my feet in the water, you know? Hopefully the next one will be better than this one, and then it'll just continue to get better and better and better. And I also have a feeling this video is going to be pretty long, but I love you guys and I will talk to you in my next video very soon. Bye!